Daisy, I did not see this bag coming. Did you? Stay tuned to find out what bag I got. Hello everyone, my name is Andrea and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me in the Babe Cave. I never did see myself getting sponsored by this company. It's called AKBBags, I believe. And all the information will be in the description box down below. So let's get into this unboxing. Yeah, I did not think I would do this kind of video, but I have a different way that I'm going to review it. So let's first get into the box. It came in a nice box. It came within a week, and it comes with one of these boxes that pull open like so, and it shows what we see here. And the packaging, very good packaging. Let's get it out of the box, and very similar box to another box, but we are not calling it that. And here is the accoutrements that I dumped on the floor. I don't really keep these kind of things if I know that it's not the thing. Wink wink, you know what I'm talking about. And here is the pretty wrapping that they've got going on here. The box is magnetic and a very nice box. Let's get it out. All right, let's open this packaging because they did really nice packaging for it. I do like that. There ain't no pretty way to do it. Okay. Comes with a dust bag. It looks like a good size. All right, this is what I got. Let's see. Wow. Okay. Very nice. I mean, look at the quality. The quality looks very nice. The texture of the canvas is good. We've got, you know, that in the corner. We got black leather. No feet on the bottom. And let's take off the hardware covers. They really did nice packaging. Here is the zipper pulls, and it's double zipper. Stuffing, of course, and straps. And this, which we know is not this. It's, yeah. It has a black interior, and it looks like it has one slip pocket, and it does have the name inside, and it's just a black fabric interior. It's very thick feeling. It's actually pretty good. Right off the bat, the con would be, look at this zipper. Not up to standards of the real thing. But the canvas, the leather pieces, if they are leather, I'm not sure. So far, the sewing and everything looks really good. I would just say that's wonky, but it still zips really nice. So it's really not bad. But let me open the rest of this, and then we'll get out my review grading scale. All right. It even had little protectors on the hardware. I mean, they don't skimp out on protective for your hardware. There's that. And it's one of these straps that unsnap, and you can make them shorter or longer that way. So that's nice right here. There's one strap. And here is also the gold chain that comes with it. Again, protecting the hardware. I mean, I feel just as good unpacking all of this, just like the real thing. And this actually makes a little noise, but it's not light hardware either. It's actually pretty light gold. Very nice chain. Now I'm gonna put the straps on and see what that looks like. I've never owned one of these. Well, I have one bag that has these snap strap like this. So I think I'm just gonna leave it where it was for now. Easy to change, that's for sure. And we could just pop that one back on for now. So you can make this bag a crossbody or a shoulder bag. Now, how does it look from your perspective? Because from mine, it looks actually really nice. So, this is how I'm going to review this bag for you. I do have a discount code, and I will put it down below. It is AB8149, and it's for 5% off. The link is down below. And if you have any issues with your bag, then they have ways of customer service through WhatsApp. So if you have any issues, definitely contact them. They offer a variety of bags and for a fraction of the price. And these days, does anyone care if it's one or the other? This economy is terrible, so I wanted to do it. I didn't think I was ever going to do one of these, but I am impressed with the quality. Because I have bought one and never showed, and I paid cheap for it, and it fell apart. My daughter basically ripped it to shreds. But she was also 3 or 4 years old. But anyway, if you do have a problem with anything about the bag, the zipper, the hardware, anything, they will give you a chance to talk to customer service about it. They have convenient payment methods such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit card, Wise, Western Union, bank transfer, and Remitly. And I haven't heard of some of these, but that's what they offer for a payment method. Like I said, the discount code is AB8149. And to me, it's, for the price of this, it's pretty high quality. I would say that. Now, my scale that I'm going to review this bag, first impressions basically, my scale is 1 to 5. It goes poor, fair, good, very good, excellent. And my categories, I thought about what people want to know specifically about each of these categories. So the first one, everyone complains of a chemical smell, possibly. So now let's do the smell test. When I opened this up, there was not a chemical burst smell in my face. There's a little bit up close, but definitely not very much. So I'm going to say on the smell scale that actually I think it's very good, just a slight smell, so it didn't get excellent. So I'm going with a 4 out of 5 on smell. And the next one, the quality overall. Overall quality, I'm going to have to go with a 4, only because this right here. The wonky zipper gives it away to me. Because when you're paying the luxury prices, everything has, for me anyway, I want everything perfect, and zippers are known for being very buttery and smooth, and they're not usually wonky like that. So the quality overall, I'm going to 4 out of 5, which is really good. And even the color of this gold chain, because some of them are very yellow gold, and I hate those. So this actually is very pretty, coloring of the gold. Now, is it worth the price? Of course it is. 5 out of 5. I don't think anyone's gonna notice anything about this bag that looks any different other than you know what it is. But yeah, it's definitely worth the price. 5 out of 5 for that. Packaging and shipping, I got it when they sent it out. I got it within a week, I want to say, or maybe even less. The packaging you saw, top notch, so I'm going 5 out of 5 for packaging and shipping. The next one is the placement of the symbols and letters, and I'll show you up close here. Pretty good considering some of the information I do know about the placement of these. And to me, they line up on this side, and we'll look at this side as well. Yeah, so they lined up actually pretty decently on this bag. So I would give this a 5 out of 5 for placement of the symbols. The next category is the zipper ease. Now we know it's a wonky, wavy one, but the ease of the zipper, it still works. Well, it might catch a little bit, so it may be 3 out of 5 for the zipper. I'm going to go with that because of the wonkiness of it, and it catches a little bit. So we're going 3, which is good. We're going to be right at 3 on that zipper. Is it easy to purchase? Again, I'm sponsored, so I didn't have to purchase it, but the website down below, you click on it, you have options, like I said, with the payment method. So I'm going to say the ease of purchasing the bag is a 5 out of 5. Interior quality. To me, the interior, it actually looks decent. I don't see any loose thread, because sometimes on these you'll see loose stitching, but I don't see that. I like that it has this pocket. And they actually have a serial code in here, in that pocket, which we know that it's not that. So, but interior wise, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 because it's pretty, it's stitched well, and yeah, it's black. So I'd probably use some lighter SLGs in it. Yeah, the zipper's not my favorite. The zipper is probably the worst part of this bag so far. Okay. So interior quality, 5 out of 5. Now the hardware. Like I said, it's a light gold. It is pretty substantial on the chain here. It's not cheap feeling. All of the little clips work. You know, sometimes on these bags, this will get stuck and you have to push it a little harder, and sometimes they're just made wrong. But yeah, the hardware overall, I would give it 5 out of 5. And the final first impression question scale is, would I buy a bag from this company? And the answer is yes. Surprising enough, I think the quality's there. And the price is definitely there. And do I even care that it's not officially what it's saying? I think you do you, and I will do me. And I really wanted to see the quality for myself. That's why I agreed to do this sponsored video. And you can click off, whatever, is your prerogative. But I really wanted to give you an idea of the quality of these that are made somewhere else. And so, yes, I'm actually pretty impressed, minus the zipper. That's the only telltale sign for me. And I'm not going to compare it to any of my real ones because I'm just not going to do that. But for what it is, I think it's a nice bag, a nice canvas. This canvas feels thicker than some of the newer canvas I've felt. And yeah, the stitching is really good. So don't bash on this company or sleep on it. If you need a Christmas present for yourself or a loved one, I've got the link down below. Check it out. They have all kinds, as we all know they do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me give you the measurements real quick, just so you'll know the size of it. Roughly 11 across and 6 high, with a depth at the bottom. The depth is 4. So plenty of room for what I like. And yeah, it's really pretty. I am impressed. So yes, I will do mod shots here in a minute, and it will explain my shirt, and I hope that YouTube doesn't copyright me, or I'm gonna have to say it over my mod shots. But this is my husband's that he gave to me, and we met. He was wearing this necklace. Me and my daughter made these earrings. We both have a set of little Christmas ornament earrings, so I thought this shirt was perfect with that. But I enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you did as well and learned a little something. And, you know, you do you. If you don't want to do that, it is okay with me. So let's get into the mod shots.
Red Flanders, you come back in here and put on your pants.
Well, Sadie, I ain't got no pants no more. The dang mall knobbers stole them.
Stole them? What in the Sam hell would they do with your pants?
Well, I think they wanted the gold in the pockets.
Okay, that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I like it on the short shoulder better. It's a little bit high up on me for crossbody, and it was on the longest setting. So if you're 5'6", I'm 5'6", around that, and curvy, it's just slightly high up on crossbody, but really pretty. And one more thing, they even put, they really do a good job with these bags. So that's all I'm gonna say about this. Happy shopping. The link and the discount code is down below. And if you don't mind, if you want to subscribe to my channel, it's about handbags and reviews, and I've just been doing less videos, and I'm actually okay with that. So thank you for stopping by and watching my review, and thank you to AKBBags for sponsoring this video. But until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.